Okay, here is a video tutorial on how to replace the new straps onto the vacuum. First of all, we need to remove the screws from the bottom part of the machine so that we can detach the back part of the strap off of the machine. So here is showing how to remove the bottom part. This is how you unwrap it. And then the top part just comes off. Now we're showing how to put the new straps on. So how you do it is you grab one end. This is the new strap. And also make sure you're facing the right way. The mesh part should be facing inside, not outside. The mesh part should be going inside towards the machine. Once you grab the top part, make sure you go through the hole as it shows right here and pull it from behind, inside of that pocket, and then grab the strap, go inside the hole, and then go on top of the red part around it, and then pull it through the hole back out. Grab the strap, and then you put it right into the second hole on the bottom, which already has the strap wrapped around, and go through that hole and then go up to that top hole and then tighten up. That's how you can secure one side of the strap. And on the right strap, do the exact same steps. Find a hole, grab the strap and go through the hole. Go through the hole on the back of the machine. On top of it, wrap around and go through the hole again. Back out, get the strap out, and then same thing. The middle hole, go through it, and then go around, and then put the strap on the top hole and tighten it up. Like this, exact same step as the left strap. Once both straps are tightened up, we want to wrap around that top side to the machine, secure it like this. And the bottom, same thing. We want to wrap around it to where it was before unscrewing, before removing the screws. And then once we wrap around it to the right position, you can pull the screws. You can put the screws back to the original holes to secure the bottom part.